if we want to customize this last section over here, the dessert section, we simply have to click either over here in the structure or on those dots over here. Then we have the container settings over here, the style settings over here, and the advanced settings over here. Once again, having the margin set to percentage and 50%, so is this space between this section and the section before it, and the padding set to percentage to 5 to the left and 5 to the right. In layout, we also see that the alignment of the items is set to stretch. By clicking on this arrow, we can see that this container, the dessert one, has one container and that one has two more. By staying on this container, we can see over here to align items that it's set to stretch as well. If we are not setting it like so, the two containers will not have the same height. So this container, the first one, has two heading widgets and the price list widget, and the second one is empty. That means that this image over here is a background image for this container. So either by clicking over here in the structure or over here on this icon and going to style and changing the image from over here, we can change the image like so.